Okay, I apologize for this video having to be in two parts. I had a system crash. So if we just left off, we had just done phenolphthalein with Alka-Seltzer, and we're finding out that it might not be the best antacid. So now we're going to try the Brimethyl Blue with the Alka-Seltzer, and we get it as blue with still kind of just filling there. See if we can't. Oh, it's not quite blue like there. It's kind of a green there, which is a mixture of yellow and blue. So mark that down. And the methyl orange. Okay. If we compare, it's not quite as yellow as our orange. Right? It's not quite as orange as that one. It's still got a little red to it, but it's turned definitely different than what we have there, and it's different with the two acids. So as we go, we can see that it's getting a little bit more acidic, basic as it kind of settles here. You can see it kind of gets green on the edge with the pH paper, and the red lemon paper is turning blue, but it does have still no indication on the phenolphthalein like sodium hydroxide iode. So it's definitely there close to 7 neutral. So we're going to try here, the last one that we're going to try that we do know as our control is going to be sodium chloride, which we know should have a pH of 0 because it's just salt water, right? So we're going to put it to the test. Okay, you see really no change in the litmus paper, or the pH paper, sorry, which again shows that it is pretty close to being neutral. Okay, red litmus paper is still red, and blue stays blue, which we would expect this to happen with a neutral. So I'm going to fill out the wells again, just like previous attempts. Okay, we're going to first fit it with the phenolphthalein. Okay, no change. Methyl blue. That stayed blue. And methyl orange here. Got a little orange. It's about the same color that is there. Definitely, if you compare the others, it is pretty much just the color of the bottle. Okay, we know this is going to be neutral. Okay, so we have some good indicators here. We see that pH paper is the best because we actually get the pH. Red litmus paper will basically indicate when a base is present because it'll change colors, or stay red if it's an acid. And blue litmus paper with an acid will change to red, in form of base will stay blue. Phenolphthalein turns this nice pink color when a base is there. We didn't see change with the Alka-Seltzer here, which kind of lends that it's not a great base to neutralize the acid. Brimethyl Blue was yellow in the form of acid. It stays blue here with sodium hydroxide, and it stayed here at 7. With Alka-Seltzer, it turned a little green, and which we see that little pH there, so it's pretty close to being neutral there. And then with the methyl orange, we see it as turned red, darker color in an acid, and a lighter orange, almost going towards yellow in the form of a base. So we're going to put our test on the unknown. So give a moment, write all those down. You should write what you see, indicators here, write the colors that you see right here, right now. So take that moment, so go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and do that. Well, welcome back. If you paused it and you've written down your paper, we're going to do our unknown, and so you're going to need to come up and pick the indicators of this. So I've already put it up, just like here again. I got my pH paper, my red litmus paper, my blue, and I will fill these in with the other indicators. Okay, so our pH of our unknown looks a little green on the green tint, so let's check the pH on that. We'll get our pH indicator, and that green is right in here, so that's about an 8. So it's going to be a weak base, probably, but let's check the other indicators on that. So red, okay, check that, and blue. So we're not seeing much change here in the litmus paper. Okay, I've already put this unknown in there, so we're going to type phenolphthalein. Ooh, we got some pink. So hopefully you're looking back at your above answers, see what that indicates. Methyl blue. Okay, it stayed blue, so everybody should be looking at their paper on that. And methyl orange. Okay, we see that is getting a lighter color there than what's in the bottle. Okay, so these are the indicator unknowns. So is this unknown an acid or base? And I'm going to give you a moment, and then I will tell you what the unknown is actually. So go ahead and pause the video and try to figure that out, and then check your answers by unpausing the video. Hey, welcome back. Hopefully you have the right answer based on the indicator. So we saw that the pH was close to 8. We also see phenolphthalein turn pink, like with the sodium hydroxide. We have the blue brimethyl and the lighter color on the methyl orange. So based on all those indicators there, the only thing we didn't get was this red, and it's kind of turning a little bit blue, but not very much change there. But with this, the phenolphthalein, the bimethyl blue being blue, and the methyl orange getting a lighter orange color, you should have all picked that this is a base and this is actually bleach. Hope this has helped. Make sure your paper is filled out and do the back side now on your own as notes for the rest of the period.